Could you share 2 to 3 ideas on how to build a society based on unity and trust?
Well, for society to have unity and trust, the members of the society as individuals have to feel united and trust each other. And often, what prevents us from having that is when we are emotionally in pain and we are hurting from some experiences. So my key idea here is people need to be equipped to understand themselves and understand their emotions and understand what is hurting them and to be able to tend to that before they can have the ability to listen to one another and to foster trust with one another.
Okay, moving on to the next question. Could you share 2 to 3 pieces of advice to leaders on building credibility and generating responsible outcomes?
Well, for leaders to have credibility, I think they need to show by their actions who they are, what they believe in, and the values that they think are important to propagate in society. And they need to be consistent, meaning they need to be consistent with what they say, what they do, and what they're actually feeling inside. Too much of distrust in society and distrust towards governments and regimes is because we tend to say one thing, but it looks like we're doing another. So finding that authenticity within ourselves so that we can truly champion with our words and our deeds what we believe to be important and true for people is what's important to build credibility. We have to be who we say we are.